the kids is cheating, bro. No, it ain't. It's engagement. I think it's engagement. What's up, little Chris? How you doing, man? I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Back to Gloomy Inspired, guys. Yeah, I almost broke my phone. I knew this had to flip off this show. It was what I had to happen. I'm gonna make my daughter sing on TikTok later. She don't even know.
Wow.
Yeah, that part. You about to be TikTok famous. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And today, we're unboxing a Well Best Amazon heat press. Want to see what it looks like? Stay tuned. So that vinyl that you saw in the B-roll is actually the new line of heat transfer warehouses, holographics. And I just want to take a few seconds to go over it. And if you're interested, hit the links below. It helps to grow the channel at no extra cost to you. So I'm only going to go over a few of them because it's a lot of them, y'all. One is the Caesar holographic Rainforest Pearl.
Ooh.
As you can see, it's changing colors on me. Huh? What about they bring that t-shirt side hustle out a little bit more? Shouts out to Stan Banks. Appreciate you. Oh, while I'm mad at y'all, let's shout out the squad. 12 Gone Apparel. You dig, you dig? And my homeboy Jay Styles. What's up, y'all? And what's up to the squad constituents? As I'm gonna shout y'all out at the end of the video. Appreciate everybody being in here. But let's get back to some more of this holographic. This one kind of looks like cotton candy, and it goes by the name of Caesar Holographic Mystic Pearl. As you can see, as I'm turning it, it's hitting different colors. And yeah. Once again, as you can see, you can get this at Heat Transfer Warehouse. Let's unbox this, y'all. All right, Amazon, I see you. The box, a little suspect, but at least you padded and protected it. Nice little top on there. Handle looks like, and the instructions. This is the instructions, y'all. Now, generally we just toss these in the trash, all guys. Yes, I'm saying all guys, but we're going to keep it because you need to read the instructions. Your warranty is in here and it tells you how to operate the machine. Read the instructions. Do your due diligence. Okay, and this looks like something I'm going to have to attach separately. I can get it out the box. Okay, so it's hooked. Let's figure out how I'm gonna lift this bad boy out of here. When I tell y'all it's packaged well, it is definitely packaged well. Take a few other things out. All right, so let's do this. Woo! Hey, my unboxings ain't been smooth yet. There's no padding. Okay. Doesn't help with this plastic. Plastic made it a little bit slippery, y'all. And I could have done this better. I was just excited to get it out the box, so don't be like me. Ask somebody to help you. Find you a safe spot to put this on and then unbox it. I don't want no lawsuits. Nobody call me like, Mike, I seen how you did it, so I did it the same way. I'm gonna be like, oh, sorry about your luck, buddy. And I got that line from the voice of reasoning. Sorry about your luck, huh? Shouts out to 12. That's something to say to you. Alright, so plastic completely wrapped off. Now, before I continue, I usually don't do no cons, but I got a con. Two cons. The first one being, make a box big enough to have this already attached. So all I gotta do is take it out the box. This is what made it weird when I was trying to lift it, is the fact that this wasn't on already. Amazon, you're worth like 50 billion, 52.1 billion. Oh, my bad, 48 billion. Y'all can make a bigger box and can cradle this. I shouldn't have to do this. It's unnecessary. And then the plastic, this is a slip hazard. I don't like that. The price though, on point. The price is on point, y'all ain't even playing. There she is, 15 by 15 well best. So we're gonna get the safety strap cut off, plugged in, and see how quick it takes for her to heat up. Now I'm not doing a timing thing. Shouts out to T-Shirt Side Hustle. He actually puts a timer up and shows how long it heats. I'm just simply showing you guys a separate press. And in another video, I'll show how it pressed. These are just unboxing videos. So upon discovery, I guess the heat press name is SOUTBOSS or SOUTBOSS. I'm not sure, I might be butchering it. SOUTBOSS or SOUTBOSS or Well Best. One of y'all, please tell me what the name of this heat press machine is so I can say it properly. But this heat press costs $169 on Amazon, well below $200. And they left me a thank you card, so I'm gonna read it. It says, "Dear customer, thank you for choosing our products. We sincerely invite you to share your experiences with others so that we can improve on our product, quality, and shopping experience for all customers. If there is any quality problem, we welcome you to tell us the problem with the photos or videos or by emails. And SOUTBOSS, our boss, after sales service team will solve it for you soon as possible." Then they left their Outlook and Facebook. So I might be posting a picture and y'all can say y'all was there with me. I appreciate you. But let's get into the actual machine. So it's a 15 by 15. I'm gonna call this Candy Apple Red, as they do have like 5 or 6 colors: black, blue, silver, white, I believe, and it's like a glittery white. It features the switch out components in case you want to add the heat press, the mug press, I believe the plate press, and some other things. The panel, which I'm not a fan of, is sideways and down, which I would think is going to be kind of hard if you're looking. It's like you almost got to bend over to look to see the time. And you can adjust it simply by hitting the settings. So the first one is for the output. It's at 356. I'm not sure if that, okay, it's on Fahrenheit. The light Fahrenheit is red. That was me closing it. And this is, let's hit set for that. 30 minutes. That's how long it'll stay on before it'll automatically shut off. 187 is where it's at right now as far as heating. And 355, I'm guessing the stopping point. 30 seconds for how long it's gonna go once I press start. There's a handle supposed to be here, however, I do not have it attached yet. And I'm just opening it because the pressure is light. It's not hard or overbearing. It comes with a nice silicone mat that I will tap down with my traditional method, which is to put a t-shirt over it. Or you can simply go back to Amazon and buy a bottom cover, and it'll stop the silicone sheet from sliding. Generally, it doesn't slide, but for me, I find that putting the t-shirt on here, like this one, stops the slidage, and I don't have to worry about it. I mean, you got to make do with what you got. And yeah, I could have spent the extra coin to buy a bottom platen cover, but heat press makers, future reference, throw in a top platinum cover, throw in the bottom cover. I guarantee you might sell a few more presses. Shout out to the squad constituents. Brenda Thompson, appreciate you being in the squad. Yes, you're my auntie, and your birthday just passed. Belated happy birthday. I hope it was a blast. I appreciate all the support and you engaging with other people in the squad. You're a true squad constituent. The next one I'm going to shout out is Daniel Waits. Appreciate you being in the squad and offering information. Your works of art are truly amazing. Keep being great. And the last one, but not the least one, Andre Booker. Appreciate you being a squad constituent. Y'all the real reason for the squad. Without y'all, there wouldn't be a squad. But let's get back to the press. So my machine is clicking on and off, letting me know that I'm at target temp right up here. This out button will keep coming in and going out as long as the press is open. I know this from previous presses, which it was heated up to 355. Yo, y'all, it took 17 minutes to reach 355. That's rather long, but I can't complain as it did reach the temp. Other things about it, I'm not a fan of this laying down. It feels like I would have to go over to look, which I'm at a cockeyed angle for the sake of this video, so it's not the best. But we're going to see how it works and how it upholds. So if you're looking for a heat press and you don't have that much money and you're trying to find something that you can afford, this might be a great starting point right here. I'm going to do tests over it as we go further through this journey, this t-shirt journey. But y'all. Yeah. Hey, y'all, stay motivated, stay activated, stay gritting, grizzly gritting. Go copy a squad constituent shirt today. 12 got them for sale. Or if you're in the squad, produce a squad shirt. Let us see what you come up with. Let's see y'all creative talents. Appreciate each and every one of y'all, from YouTube to the squad.